Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise, and I'm back with another video. So on today's video, I have some hair from a company called Virgo Hair, and what can I say? I like Virgos. I'm a Capricorn, so of course, I love me some Virgos. But I thought it was suiting, so I picked up hair from their company. If you guys check the info box below, I have all the details located there. The wig that I got is their Kinky Curly Malaysian Remy lace front wig, and it does have the pre-plucked hairline and baby hairs. However, it was still hella dense, so I really have to go in and tweeze out buku hair. But for the most part right now, I want to do a wash and go with this hair. So I thought that this hair would be perfect for a wash and go. So therefore, I'm just kind of briefly demonstrating how I was able to achieve my wash and go. So right now I'm starting off with shampooing the hair. You guys, if you're getting hair from overseas, shampoo it. I don't even care if you're getting hair from across the street. Shampoo it first. So you guys all know I live by my silicone mix products, so I use the silicone mix shampoo. This is the silicone mix hair treatment, which is pretty much a deep conditioner. I'm going to go ahead and just rake that through the hair, making sure that I get every crack and crevice. And now I'm taking my Denman brush and I'm just going to go in and brush through it. This is just, again, freeing the hair from tangles, getting rid of any shedded hairs, as well as redefining the curls, because I didn't really want that artificial curl look that it had at the beginning of the video. I wanted like an actual wash and go look. So after brushing through the hair, this is the shedding that I got. Not bad at all. I thought I was gonna get way more because curly hair tangles up and sheds out. So but right now I'm just going to go ahead and rinse out that conditioner and we're going to move on. So here's what the hairline looks like. They claim that it has the pre-plucked hairline and baby hairs, but literally you're getting about 2 inches of baby hairs and the rest is dense as heck. So as usual, I'm going to go in and just tweeze out some of those hairs and customize the hairline to my liking. I'm just taking a good pair of tweezers and I'm going in, kind of not going straight across, but kind of skipping pieces of hair just to kind of create those dips and curves that makes our hairline look natural. And you want to be very careful so that you're not taking out too much hair, because you don't want to look bald-headed. I think Alicia just uploaded a video and she was bald-headed in that video. But yeah, this is looking a little more natural. But now I'm just going to go ahead and work on the baby hairs. Now I'm going to leave the baby hairs a little long, but I did go in and trim off a little more hair to make them shorter and more natural looking. So for products, I'm using this product by Silk Elements, and this is a foaming wrap lotion, and I'm just going to apply that around the perimeter of the hair. This is just going to help sort of push the hair back so that we can do our baby hairs, you know, of course, baby hairs. And yeah, I do have to leave a disclaimer: if you don't like baby hairs, don't do them. All right. So now I'm taking the product also by Silk Elements, and this is the curl defining mousse, and they had a sale at Sally's, so I just decided to pick up the 2 of these products, and I got a free little bag that came with it, so that's the reason why I got it. But I'm just using this to redefine the curls, and you're just seeing like the curls and the waves just pop. So this is a few hours later. The hair dried really fast. Of course, I do live in Arizona, so it doesn't take much for the hair to dry. But I did clip up a little part of the hair just to add some volume. So I didn't want it to look super flat. I wanted it to look nice and voluminous and just like an afro, curly afro. So I'm going to go ahead and get the wig on and we'll see what it looks like once I'm done. So right now the hair is a little on the crunchy side. So I'm just using my fingertips to kind of help break apart some of that crunchy cast. And now I'm just going in with the comb because I couldn't find my pick. But if you have an afro pick, use that. But I'm using a regular white tooth comb and I'm just fluffing out the hair to, you know, give it some volume and make it look all kinds of natural and good looking. But right now, again, I was having a slight issue with the lace color. So I'm taking my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish powder and I'm just going in and just blending out that lace color. I'm going in the part and I'm adding some more of that powder just to make that part pop. I did not bleach the knots because I ran out of bleaching powder. I was so upset, so I didn't bleach my knots. However, if you do, you can have a wig that looks like it's growing from your scalp. And I know a lot of you guys don't want to hear that, but hey, it's the truth. So yeah, I'm now taking this product by Main Choice, and it's my favorite edge gel. I'm just applying that to the baby hairs, and I'm gonna once again lay those just to get it to look nice and flawless. And I did not adhere this wig down, so pretty much it's just literally sitting on top of my forehead. No gel, no glue, just sitting there. But yeah, get into this hair. I am absolutely loving the texture. Oh my god, like really, I can definitely get away with this, and you guys will never know that it's not my hair. So but yeah, I'm loving the hair. Didn't get too much tangling, although you will encounter tangling when you're dealing with hair like this, because it is high maintenance and it's prone to tangling, it's prone to shedding, so you got to keep that in mind. However, this hair was very soft. I do highly suggest that you guys wash it before you wear it, because it had a slight smell upon receiving it, almost like corn chips, but it wasn't too bad. It rinsed away with the shampoo. But yeah, what do you guys think? Are you guys liking this? Is it just looking all kinds of juicy and curly and like I grew it myself, or nah? Okay, but yeah, you guys do check out Virgo Hair. Again, I'll have all the information left in the info box below. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.